Taking a look at today's metals markets, let's look at silver futures as they're realizing some selling pressure today. Silver futures trading lower for a fourth consecutive session now, and today we're looking at the futures market down about 1.5%, hovering just below the 82 handle in the futures market. And when you look at the driving factors today, there's a few things influencing the market, but it does appear that the US dollar strength and higher yields here in the U.S. are one of the primary drivers as to why we're experiencing some selling pressure pretty much across the board in all the major metals futures markets today. And I think that's really the driving factor here today, as we're seeing, again, some of the volatility coming out of the market the last couple of days, at least for the short term, as the markets digest several moving parts, particularly geopolitical tensions, as well as data and shifting dynamics as far as currencies and rates from a global perspective. So we're seeing some selling pressure in the metals markets, with silver under a little bit of pressure here as well. And when you look at the general trends, we are coming off of a 1-month high before this most recent selling pressure of the last 4 sessions. So now we're trading down to the lower end of the recent range. But when you look at the price action, we're pretty much in the middle of the range over the past several weeks for silver, as we're seeing a low end of the range around 71.5 and a high end of the range at 93.5. So here hovering around the $82 level, pretty much right in the middle of that range here today. And looking at the overall trends, we are seeing most of the major metals futures markets under pressure today. Gold down about 1%. We're also, copper's down about 1.75%. Platinum, palladium under some pressure as well. So the stronger US dollar and higher yields, at least for the short term, appear to be impacting the price action in the metals markets, putting continued pressure on silver as it continues to realize lower close for the 4th consecutive session.